Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to install the screen. Easiest way is to remove the dashboard panel, this one, okay, remove it, and you have this rubber. You see, they might be in the way because sometimes they put them forward, but you need a little space like this. So you make sure that you have a gap in between, okay? Not all the way down, but a bit backward like this, so that the screen can get in between. You will receive the screen with a guide hole. So that means that you have to adjust them if they are not perfectly in line. Another thing that we suggest not to use the rubber, but to use screw with nut and washer behind, and I'll show you how. You can reuse the old rubbers. You cut them in half like this, and you can use this just as washer, okay, like this. Then you can reuse the same screw. You get a nut and a washer behind. I suggest self-locking nuts. Why? Because these nuts they stay put, they don't get loose, and you don't need to tie them so much, so you don't take a chance to crack the fiberglass. Okay, so how you do that? Okay, with some tape so it won't fall, because then you go from behind holding the tool like this, and you put the screw in front. You tie up first these two and then gently the other two, okay, because it will fit perfectly like this.